guys, welcome to my channel, and we will be making one of my bestsellers that I display in my store, and that bestseller is called Mocha Madness. Bestseller Mocha Madness is for chocolate and coffee lovers because it's scented in chocolate. Okay, so of course it's a cold process soap. Sometimes honestly I use the hot process method because of how fast it sells out, so I use the hot process, but this soap is for Christmas, and that is why I am using this soap base melt and pour, because of the topping we'll be doing on top to give it a Christmas theme. It's not too early to make a Christmas soap because it would need 4 to 6 weeks to cure, although I have done a water discount. Yes, I've done a water discount, but I would just need it to be ready before time because I have to tutor some students on soap making physical class. Okay, so I need to clear out my schedule and be ready for that class. So I will be going ahead to color my melt and pour in red mica for Christmas, and I have my mold here embed to make it Christmassy. Okay, so I'll just melt this and I'll be back. This soap is made with coffee, cocoa. I haven't brought my good milk. I'll bring some of my good milk because this is made with good milk too, and my chocolate fragrance oil. So let me melt this down. My tip is to put this in a cup so that if this wants to spill, it will spill into the cup. This embed has done me dirty before, so I'll pour into my embed. Okay, it has to set and it has to be ready and chopped into smaller sizes so we can use it as our soap topping. Okay, so I will be unmolding this now. Make sure this is dried all through so you don't have this peeling. Okay, yes, it's ready. Christmas! I can't even believe we are here at Christmas. So I'm just going to trim this off. Let me make it more clean. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to. So we have our Christmas tree. We made them in red. Our oil. My oil mixture is palm oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And I will be putting my coffee, I know my measurements, putting in my cocoa, cocoa gives me the dark color that I want, and cocoa is great on the skin too as well. Got milk powder, contains lactic acid, quite conditioning to the skin. It's great for the skin. So I'll go ahead and stick blend this. It has a rusty look to it, and that's because my fragrance oil for this particular soap goes crazy, and you're going to see that in a second. Now, for the first time, I think I'm going to be pouring my fragrance oil in. I want to see if the fragrance is going to still come through. And that's because when I put the fragrance oil afterwards, oh my god, the soap goes crazy. So let's try this method. You guys make me do first things on video. Oh my god, am I going to be disgraced here? Be good, be good. Chocolate soap, be good to me. Be good, be good, be good. It's Christmas, be good. It's already thickening up. Oh my god. You guys know I use a high level of hard oils in my soap. However, look at that. Look, oh my god. And this is the fragrance oil. This is the fragrance oil. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Looking all, I don't know, funny. It's not as brown as I would want it to look, but it's okay. Can work with this. This is the fragrance oil doing this. This is the fragrance oil. And I think at this point I'm going to get it into my mold because look at how this is looking. Okay. You know, I would never even guess that this would be a bestseller, but look. It happens to be a bestseller. Every time. It's never ever sitting on my shelf for long. Oh my god, this is going to be messy. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I try not to panic. I just try to be calm and get it into the mold as quick as possible. Try to get it into the mold as quick as possible. I've been having power supply issues recently, so I can't even do a hot process. If not, I find out that hot process works best for me. Hot process works best for me. It feels like I'm on the beach playing with wet sand. I think this is the first time I'm having it feel this way to the touch, and I hope it will come through. Usually it looks a lot better. However, if this doesn't come out looking great, I'll probably glop it into my slow cooker, my crock pot, and have it cook. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Well, I'm glad to share this part of the journey with you guys. So you see we have terrible moments too. So you also see that your best soaps are my worst nightmares. I've cleaned up. Let's hope this holds up. It's not looking good, but I think it's beginning to gel inside already. It's beginning to gel. It's feeling soft. I hope this stays together. If not, I'll have to put it in a slow cooker, as I said. So I'm going in with my Christmas trees just to have this soup a bit more presentable. Usually I would mark my mold and make sure that every soap has a Christmas tree, but I'm feeling a bit disorganized at this point. I'm not even sure if this will set up nicely, so fingers crossed. Okay, so I would leave them to set up and hopefully they come out good. They are not the prettiest soap, but they are great for exfoliation. And the people who buy them love them. So, fingers crossed. Okay, it's the next morning and it's hardened up very firmly. So, I'll go ahead and unmold this. Okay, it went through gel phase. You can see the fragrance oil. This is what they look like. As I told you, they have a rustic look to them. With time, the fragrance oils on the body would completely be gone, and we have our rustic Mocha Madness soap. It's exfoliating to the skin and it smells really good. I think one of the catch for this soap is the fragrance oil, but it gives me a whole lot of problem, which makes our bar look rustic. Okay, another tip I do to block off all this hole is to get like soap bits from it and use it to like mend the soap, and so that's what I'll be doing today, so that the soaps look a bit more presentable. However, I'm not a fan of this design soap top, so I'll be taking off some of the trees, and yeah, maybe I'll just leave it one-sided. Sometimes when you have issues with your soaps, it just puts you in a confusion state. You really don't know what you're doing at the time because you're trying to work with a batter that is trying to solidify on you. So that happens and that's normal. So embrace your journey, enjoy making your soaps, try as much as possible to have it under control as much as you can. Okay, so I'll come back and fill in this, but I think I prefer the 1-3 look, as you can see. So if you'll be shopping any of our soaps, please reach out to us on our WhatsApp number. The link will be on the first pinned comment of this video. It's ladder test time. I have got a couple of bestsellers, but Mocha Madness was the first and still sells out. I've shared one on my page, which is the tomato and good milk soap. I love Mocha Madness because it's exfoliating to the skin and it's a very high performance bar. It's got goat milk that helps you exfoliate the skin gently because of the presence of lactic acid, and it's got the coffee grounds to help you exfoliate your skin. Look at the lather from the bar. Gentle lather, but very high performance bar. It cleanses. The lather is creamy and very luxurious. You can see that. Of course, because of the presence of the palm oil in it, it's so soothing and it gets the job done. Okay, and of course it smells really good. Look at that. Oh, it's so comforting. You can come back after a stressful day and use this bar and not feel good about yourself. Look at that. Look at how rich the creamy lather is. So get yourself some bars of soaps from our store. Okay, so guys, God, I can't even wash off my hands. Like, it's so good. It's so good. Look at that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share our content, comment if you can. We love you so much. So we'll see you in our next video. Happy soaping.